Hello and welcome to the Plastotech, the world of plastics. So guys, today I'm going to tell you about the stepper motor. So stepper motor are classified as brushless DC motor that divides full rotation in equal number of steps. They are used in many applications of our daily life. They include CD players, electric tools and automation equipment. As the name suggests, each possible electricity produces one step of rotational motion. For this exercise, we will discover the basic of stepper motor technology, beginning the brushless DC motor. So this motor is classified as brushless DC motor. Unlike DC brush motor, DC brushless motor do not utilize brushes for the currents. Permanent magnets are bounded on brushless DC motor. As you can see this, create rotational motion as current passes through these stators. You can see all the coils, rotor, stators and how the current is passes and how the rotation takes place, that you can clearly watch it out. Now a rotating magnetic field is formed by electric processes generated by a converter. As a rotor turns, a rotor position sensor providing speed back to the converter, so the required stator field rotational sequence is maintained. The change in sensor that reports back to converter, which continuously switches the phase to the winding to keep the motor turning. Now you can clearly see that how these things are happening. Easy process. Now what happened? The sequence is further explained here. When the Hall effect sensor is turned on and coil is energized by the converter, you can see that the coil is now energized by the converter. The coils alternate in order, creating the magnetic field to turn the rotor. You can see that rotor is turning. The sequence is repeated with the next second effect of Hall sensor and coil to continue the rotation. Now you can see how the rotation is being continuous with the help of Hall effect and how the energy is energized from the. Now with the DC brushless motor, the foundation of stepper motor, let's look how the stepper works, how the process of stepper work. Stepper motor are they are named as stepper because each possible electricity turns the motor one stop. Once they will just turn at once. A simple stepper motor comprise of 4 elements. User interface, what the user interface does, allows the operation to input motion parameters such as speed, distance, direction. For example, PLC or data entry terminals are used by user interface. They are also known as user interface. Now next one is indexer. The indexer, the data input from the user interface to motion signal that the motor will turn to define position and speed. Now driver. What is the function of driver? Driver takes the data from indexer and provide current pulses to the motor. The number of motor turns equal to the number of pulses. Now the last fourth one, that is motor. What is the role of the motor? The stepper motor is brushless, as I have already mentioned. Electric motor that converts pulses into the mechanical shaft rotation. Each pulse move the shaft to fixed angle defined by the multiple tooth electromagnetic arranged around a gear shaped rotor. So now our coming to the next. Stepper motor have 3-step mode operation. It include, you can see that there are 3 steps: full, half and micro stepping. There are 3 types of stepping, which are full, half and micro stepping. The type of step made output in a stepper motor is dependent on the design of driver. The driver also control both the step angle and speed of the motor by switching a field coil in a set sequence. Now coming to the next, This is the full step, how the full step works. For full step motor operation, energizing each set of coils sequentially, the rotor can be made to rotate or step from one position to next by an angle determined by its step angle. Shaft rotation is achieved by energizing both windings. You can see that how the both energizing the windings while reversing the current. Alternatively, when we will reverse the current, switching the coils ABCD, you can see that the ABCD coils, one coil at a time repeatedly will rotate the rotor in forward direction. In this example, there are 6 steps arranged on the rotor 60-degree apart. 24 steps are required to make full rotation. At 60-degree, you need 24 steps to require the full complete rotation. At 15-degree increments, 4 half steps made. The stepper motor resolution can be doubled by altering the switching of the coil. Stepping occurs when one winding is energized and then 2 windings are energized automatically, causing the rotor to rotate at half the distance. Switching coils in this combination will rotate in reverse direction. As you can see in this example, as steps are required to make full rotation at 7.5 degree increment, micro stepping controls the current in a motor winding. 2 degree subdivides the number of positions between poles. To achieve micro steps, the coils are only partially energized as we apply a maximum voltage of 5 VDC to coil A and a minimum of voltage of 0 VDC to coil B. Rotor position 1 will line up, reducing the voltage to coil A and increasing voltage to coil B. The rotor will begin to rotate in a clockwise direction and continues until the voltage 0 at coil A and 5 at coil B. This process continues at all coils within the stator, provides accurate positioning. So guys, if you are learning with me, do follow us and share our videos, like our video, and just subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the upcoming videos. Now you can see in this example 12 steps are required to make full rotation at 3-degree increment. You can clearly see it, how much steps you are required. What 12 steps, it's 120 steps are required to make full rotation at 3-degree increment. Thank you and have a great day.